360 cameras always open up a whole new world of possibilities for creative shots. And to push it even further, Insta360 unveiled the latest camera called Insta360 Sphere, which is mainly dedicated to drones. You can do all sorts of unique maneuvers to get more astonishing footage by combining them. What's even more special is that the Insta360 Sphere can make your drone disappear from your footage. However, there is another compact camera, the GoPro Bones, which is also built to fly with the drone and packs the same performance as GoPro Hero 10 Black. In today's video, we're going to compare these two drone cameras and show you which one can make your aerial footage more creative. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The Insta360 Sphere did the impossible by equipping one lens in the top and one at the bottom. With the help of both these lenses, you can make 360 aerial filming easier than ever before. Now you might be wondering, how can it make drones disappear from the footage? Well, the Sphere uses software to stitch the footage from each lens and vanish the drone from videos. Whereas, the new stripped-down Hero 10 Black, which is GoPro Bones, come at a pretty compact size and lightweight body. This camera can be mounted on an FPV drone to get excellent footage, but you might not find it as good as the Insta360 Sphere. About the weight, the Insta360 Sphere weighs 192 grams, whereas the GoPro Bones weighs only 54 grams, which is way lighter than the Insta360 Sphere. You can also carry GoPro Bones pretty easily, making it ultra portable. As for the compatibility, the Insta360 Sphere is exclusively compatible with the DJI Mavic Air 2 and Air 2S. So if you're planning to buy one, make sure you have Mavic Air 2 or Air 2S. On the other hand, the GoPro Bones can be mounted on any FPV drone. This is where the GoPro Bones gets the advantage compared to the Insta360 Sphere. Insta360 Sphere has almost similar specs to Insta360's current cameras. It can shoot 5.7K 360 videos at 30 FPS with a bitrate of 100 Mbps. Also, you can get up to 60 FPS while shooting at 4K. Plus, the Sphere features both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. With flow state video stabilization, this camera provides buttery smooth footage no matter how fast you fly the drone. To make your footage even more creative, the Sphere comes with a variety of modes such as horizon flip, sky transition, FPV roll, and many more. It's worth mentioning that the Insta360 Sphere gives the freedom of reframing so you can choose the angle that suits you the most. On the other hand, the GoPro Bones can shoot 5.3K videos at 60 FPS, and for slow motion videos, it can record 4K at 120 FPS. For stability, it has built-in HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization. It also includes Player Plus Real Steady desktop software so you can make your footage more stable the way you want. With the Quick app, you can edit or share your content effortlessly. Let's talk about the battery life. The Insta360 Sphere has a 1050 mAh battery capacity which delivers up to 48 minutes of runtime, and this is more than enough to capture your footage. But remember, it will slightly reduce the flight time of your drone because of its weight. Whereas, the GoPro Bones does not include any battery. It runs by taking power from the FPV drone, meaning it will also reduce the flight time to quite some extent. Coming to the price, the Insta360 Sphere comes at a $429 price tag and the GoPro Bones is available at $499. However, you can save $150 on the GoPro Bones with a 1-year GoPro subscription. In short, the Insta360 Sphere has so many unique features compared to the GoPro Bones. You can unlock unlimited possibilities with the Insta360 Sphere, but in terms of weight, portability, and compatibility, the GoPro Bones has the advantage. So what do you think? Which one suits you right? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.